In the previous videos, we talked about population growth or inflation or interest. They're the things that that gain in value. So, for example, your original here, if you have an inflation, you're going to gain. Well, you're going to have a rise in price of something. Interest, it rises. Inflation, it rises. Population growth, it rises. Well, you can also have a fall in something. So, for example, let's have a look at this one here. Let's say your dad's car is when he first bought it, it was 11,280 pounds. Well, the value of the car can depreciate 7.6% per annum. Annum means per year. So the value of this car it loses its value every year. So let's say the originals here, the originals 11,280. Well, every year it loses its value here. It loses 7.6% each year. So the new value here would be hang on. Let's think. If every year you lose 7%, 7.6% going away, what's this value here? Well, it should be 0.924. Okay, have a quick glance at this. This is 92%. Well, what I'm trying to say is this value here, not 7.6% is 0.076. Okay, now if you've given this away, if you have one whole of something and you give this much away, what's left will be this. Okay, so well, basically, if you add this amount here, 429.0 here, if you add it up, it should come to 1. 0 carry the 1. This is 9, so it's 10. Well, it basically it adds up to 1. So figure out this magical number here. This is the hard part. Somehow develop your own method to get to this number here. Well, if you're giving 7.6%, well, you're not actually giving, it's losing. It goes into thin air, 7.6%. So the true value of your car was here, and then at the end of the year, it goes down by this much. Okay, so let me start again. Let me tidy up. So hang on. So year one, hang on. This is after year one then. After year one. Okay, 0 here, 0 here. 1. Well, the original was 11.28. Sorry, 11,280 pounds. Okay. Now, after year one, you're going to lose. You're going to lose you're going to lose 0.076. It goes into thin air. So basically, you're going to lose this amount here. So what is this? What is this magical value here? Well, it's 0.924. Okay, so this value here, well, this bit goes into thin air. Don't forget, it goes into thin air. So this value here will be 11,280 times 0.924. Okay, so this is the value of the car after year one. Well, let's have a look after year two. Draw a diagram here. 0. So remember, 1 is at the top up here. So this value here is a new 100%. Okay. Remember this. We are losing value. That's why the 1's at the top in this case, because we are talking about the fall in value of something. So well, anyway, after at the start of year two, this will be our new 100%. So it will be 11,280 times 0.924. Okay. Let me just tidy this up. So our value after year two, year two, it's going to fall in value again by the same amount. So this value here will be 0.924. So the value after year two will be whatever is here. So it will be 11280. That's the value of the car originally, times 0. Well, basically it's this times this. Okay, so it will be 0.924 to the power of 2 or squared. Okay, and then do the dot 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 and jump to year 4. Well, year 4. Hang on. So at the start of year 4, it will be it would be this. Hang on. It would be 11280 times 0.924 to the power of 3, because it's always less than. Well, this is after year 4. After year 4, and then well, so at the start of year 4, it would be this amount, and then at the end of year 4, it will, well, it's going to lose value. So this value here will be 0.924. Okay. So at the end of year 4, it will be this times this, which will be 11280 times 0.924 to the power of 4. Okay. Up here is to the power of 3. Down here is to the power of 4. So this will tell us the value of the car. I've worked out to year 4, but it should. All right, I change the question to 4 years. Okay. Well, if you want to know for after 5 years, then take it to another year. I just forgot. So this is the value after year 4. Okay.